Good morning, student. Today we will start our new chapter, that is for the people, by the people. Now, student, trigger question is what does for the people and by the people. When you read it down now, for the people, by the people, it is a trigger question. Ma'am, for the people, by the people mean. Now, student, it means India is a democratic country. Our democracy is a form of government that is of the people, by the people and for the people. In a democracy, people choose their own leaders who form the government and run the government. India is a vast country. It has many cities, towns and villages. To make the task of governing easier, there are three levels of government: the central, the state and the local self-government. The central government is based in the capital city, New Delhi. Clear, student? So, I think for the people, by the people, it is clear. After that, I am page number on 15, student. Need for a government. Why we need a government? Tab is here, 2.1. Question is, circle the person who is responsible for resolving the issue in each situation. Work in pairs. So, student, circle the person who is responsible. आपको सर्कल करना है जो इस सिचुएशन के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, जो इसको रिजॉल्व करेगा, इस सिचुएशन को रिजॉल्व करेगा, खत्म करेगा, उस पर्सन को आपको सर्कल करना है. सो रीड द क्वेश्चन अगेन. सर्कल द पर्सन हु इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर रिजॉल्विंग द इशू इन ईच सिचुएशन. नाउ स्टूडेंट फाइटिंग इन क्लास. क्वेश्चन इज स्टूडेंट फाइटिंग इन क्लास. हु रिजॉल्व the issue in each situation? Teacher, school watchman, school bus driver. So take the mark according to you. After that, deciding whether the school needs a new computer lab. Who decide this? The school needs a new computer lab. Teacher decided, principal decided and librarian decided. Write the answer yourself. Deciding which of the students can participate in the inter-school tournament. Question is, deciding which of the students can participate in the inter-school tournament. Teacher, principal, school watchman. Who decide this? A student participate in the inter-school tournament. Teacher decide this, principal decide this and school watchman decide this. Give the answer. It is the first pack on page number 15. After that, move on page number 16. What would happen if no one takes responsibility for resolving the issue in these situation? क्या हो अगर ये सिचुएशन हो, आपस में फाइटिंग हो रही हो स्टूडेंट्स में, या किसी को पार्टिसिपेट करना हो, या कोई और इशू हो और हमारे पास में कोई भी सॉल्यूशन ना हो, तो क्या हो? What is the question in your mind? What happened if no one takes responsibility for resolving the issue in these situations? When someone takes responsibility, many problems are solved easily. अगर कोई भी एक व्यक्ति परेशानियों को सुलझा देता है, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी उठा लेता है, तो बहुत सारी जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं वो सॉल्व हो जाती हैं आसानी से. Look around 2.2. Who takes responsibility in your class to clean the board for the teacher to use? What is the question? Who takes responsibility in your class to clean the board for the teacher to use? So student, give the answer yourself. Second question here is, who brings the attendance register in your class for the teacher? Question, who brings the attendance register in your class for the teacher? Who bring it? Teacher bring this, peon bring this and monitor bring this. Give the answer yourself. Our school has hundreds or thousands of students. Teachers, principals, vice principal and others take care of the students in a school. Imagine a country like India where there are crore of people. Who do you think take responsibility to make decision and solve problems that people face. We have a government for this. अगर स्कूल की बात करें जहाँ पे 100 और 1000 स्टूडेंट्स हैं तो कितनी सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज होती है, कितने सारे लोग होते हैं इन स्कूल. Directors are there. He give the responsibility to principal ma'am. After that, principal ma'am choose the teachers, select the teachers for this, maintaining discipline and for teaching and so many curriculum activities. And after that, vice principal also there. So many people take care of the students in a school. As it is in country where there are crores of people, who do you think takes responsibility to make decision and solve problems? Because we have the different type of problems in society. This time we are suffering from corona. Who is responsible for this? No one. So this power is going so many people, doctor, our parents, and so many people. So for these situations, countries, crore of people are there, or who make the decision for country, solve the problems to the people. Who take care? We have a government for this. Our government is a set of people who take care of the needs of the people in an area. So government is formed by a set of people to take care of the needs of the people in an area, in a country. Our government has three main functions. They are three main functions. First, maintaining peace, and second, maintaining good relation with other countries, and third, taking care of the welfare of the people. Mainly, government has three main functions, which is these are maintaining peace, maintaining good relation with other countries, and taking care of the welfare of the people. Now student, 17 page number, this is 2.3 PAP is here. Take the function of the government you would like to contribute to participating. Maintaining peace, take the function of the government you would like to contribute to. Maintaining peace, maintaining good relation with other countries, taking care of the day-to-day welfare of the people. Give a reason for your choice. आपको choose करना है, then reason लिखना है why you will choose this sentence. So government has three main functions. First is maintaining peace. So in maintaining peace, the police force employed by the government maintains order and make sure that people follow the rules. Second, maintaining good relation with other countries. Ambassadors are people appointed by the government to maintain good relation with other countries. Our country's army safeguard us from foreign attack. Who safeguard? Our country's army is a safeguard us, taking care of the welfare of the people. The government provides several services such as drinking water, public transport, and electricity to home and businesses. So three main functions are maintaining peace, maintaining good relation with other countries, taking care of the welfare of the people. Now student, I am on page number 8, 2.4 activities there. Listed there. Here are some activities carried out by the government. कुछ activities हैं जो carried out होती है government के द्वारा, यानी कुछ वर्क है जो government करती है. Using the code A, B and C, write which category each activity falls into. Got it? Using the code A, B and C, write which category each activity falls into. Providing rice and pulses at lower price to the needy. कौन प्रोवाइड करवाता है राइस और पल्स, दाल, कम दाम में नीडी लोगों को? ए, बी और सी. So C is already there because taking care of the welfare of the people. Controlling traffic to avoid confusion on the road. Who is? So mentioning peace, A. Managing the waste that comes from houses and factories. Managing the waste, जो कचरा होता है that comes from the houses and factories से जो निकलता है वो कौन मैनेज करता है? That is taking care of the welfare of the people. So C. Making public places safe for people. Public place को safe कौन बनाता है? Mentioning peace. So A. Providing free health care to people. Provide करवाना है free health care. So taking care of the people, welfare of the people is the C. Providing public transport to people. Taking care of the welfare of people. C. Organizing help to a country for a flood has occurred. Organizing help to a country. कौन ऑर्गेनाइज करता है देश के लिए जब बाढ़ आती है? Organizing help to a country where a flood has occurred. Who? Maintaining peace या taking care of the welfare of the people? C. Taking care of the welfare of the people. Providing clean drinking water to household. Also a C. Establishing schools in cities and villages. Taking care of the welfare of the people because these were included in the welfare. Building bridge and road in the country. Taking care of the welfare of the people. C. Providing electricity to houses and industries. Taking care of the welfare of the people. Organizing sports and other activities involving neighboring countries. B. Maintaining good relations with other countries. So in 12 B is there. Students, our government is set up to take care of the needs and welfare of the people. Who set up? Government is set up to take care of the needs and welfare of the people. Students, now we will start next page 19 in second video. Thank you so much for listening to me.